Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play hot dice. To begin, gather 6 standard dice and a score pad. The game is designed for 2 or more players, making it perfect for a small group. Each player will take turns rolling the dice, aiming to score points with various combinations. The first player to reach a predetermined score, usually 5,000 points, will be the winner. Let's dive into the basic setup. When it's your turn, you'll roll all 6 dice. After each roll, you must set aside at least 1 scoring die. 1s are always worth 100 points, and 5s are worth 50 points. If you roll 3 of a kind, they are worth 100 times their face value. For example, 3 2s are 200 points. 3 1s are a special case, scoring 1,000 points. You can continue rolling remaining dice as long as you keep scoring. Beyond single dice and 3 of a kind, there are special combinations. Rolling a straight 1 through 6 immediately earns you 1,500 points. 3 pairs, such as 2 1s, 2 2s, and 2 3s, will give you 750 points. However, be careful. If you roll the dice and none of them score any points, that's called a farkle. A farkle means you lose all the points you accumulated in that specific turn, so choose wisely when to stop rolling. A key part of hot dice is knowing when to stop. You can choose to bank your points at any time during your turn, securing them against a farkle. If you have 4 or more dice left, you might consider rolling again for bigger scores. However, with fewer dice, the risk of a farkle increases significantly. The game concludes when one player reaches or exceeds 5,000 points. The player who achieves this milestone first is declared the winner. Good luck and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.